kebabs are soft and cheesy on the inside, with a delicate bursting, with spice, flavour and aroma in every bite. You have to try this and thank me later. Juicy, minced, boneless chicken, blended with fresh coriander, cumin and a touch of ginger garlic paste, mixed with finely chopped onion, green chilli, peas for richness. Skewered and shallow fry to perfection. These kebabs are smoky, flavorful and irresistibly soft with a hint of spice. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Seekh Kebab. Let's get begin. In a chopper, add 500 grams boneless chicken, 1 onion chopped, 2 spring onions, 1 tablespoon gram flour besan, 2 to 3 tablespoons coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon flour, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon black pepper powder, 3 to 4 green chillies, 1 teaspoon chili flakes optional, ½ teaspoon coriander powder, mozzarella cheese, grind it, add 1 teaspoon oil, give it a cold smoke. Remove the coal and refrigerate for 1 hour. Apply water or oil on your palms. Stuff 1 piece of cheese. Make Seekh as shown. Fry the Seekh 7 minutes on each side. Flip the sides. Fry on all sides. Our delicious Seekh Kebab is ready. Serve with chutney and salad. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.